हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय व्लॉग। तो आज का व्लॉग थोड़ा डिफरेंट है। तो ये व्लॉग हम लास्ट ईयर गए थे मंदारमनी बीच, वेस्ट बंगाल। तो उसी का व्लॉग है। मेरे पास पड़ा हुआ था वीडियो, तो मैंने सोचा व्लॉग बना दूं। और 19 आवर्स ड्राइव करके हम लोग पहुंचे थे मंदारमनी। और ये 19 आवर्स ड्राइव मेरे हस्बैंड ने किया था, वो भी नॉन स्टॉप हाईवे पर पहली बार।
Automatic. This is autopilot. You don't have to do anything. It's autopilot.
All right, good morning everyone. So this is the resort we are staying in. Okay, these are the cottages. We've yet not seen the ocean, but we are going there now. Okay, so this is the resort we booked last night in a hurry. So now we are shifting to another resort. Let's see how it. How's the breakfast?
Very nice.
Ishila? Huh? Are you man of less words? Where are your words? You ate it with the breakfast. Shipinla, do you like the place? Do you want to go to some other place or you want to stay here? Why? Dumb. He's dumb. Or dumb. Are you also dumb? Talk.
Nice.
तो वो रिजॉर्ट इतना अच्छा नहीं था, तो हम दूसरा रिजॉर्ट देखने गए थे। So now we are heading towards the beach. Okay, thank you. So where are we going now?
We're going to the beach.
And we'll see the beach for the first time, huh? You guys.
Why are you behaving like this?
She looks so funny, you know.
Yo, what's up, nigga?
So many resorts.
Huh?
Daddy.
It's not very well developed, but
Grand
still.
Nabasa, Grand Beach.
Oh. Get into the ocean for the first time.
Kiss good, Mama.
Let's go, baby.
Let Mama capture.
Oh my God. Let's go. Seeing the sea for the first time.
Hey, you guys want this thing? Hey, cocoa water. Who wants to have coconut water?
Well, let them see, no, baby first.
Don't they like the number or पठाइदेऊ न ल फेरि
Which number?
त्यो यता उता चिन्ने गर्नु
Chinisama? Oh my God, really? Oh, it's very big, huh? Massage nahi.
No massage.
This is the beach.
Baby crab.
Kawa, where is it?
There.
Kawa baby crab.
There.
Where is it?
There.
It's not a crab. It's a.
Look at
it's
this
an
thing,
insect. Yeah. Let's go. See the beach. What will you do in the water?
Just dive.
Dive. Can't dive, okay?
Mama, I want to do that.
Okay, we'll do everything. Yeah. But let's see the beach first. Let's go closer. Okay? Chapal pegi pinch. Se de क्यों तंग दे काय मरे दे चू How's the sea?
Sea is beautiful. It's wonderful. It's amazing. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so ecstatic to be here.
And we drive standing on the destination.
Hunting गर्दैछ इसिलाले केन्सलाले starfish मागा जिराको तुरा Show
Catch it! Yes, fish though.
कैसे
Fast boating, ठीक है?
खाला
Boating or boating?
Ko Taga to siyempre beach tuge taga Minion, you look like a minion. They have a company. I'm here. Piu bài tay trên rồi. This is our boat. Go slow, okay? Do. Do the mama tak ngada jutu min. Do kali. Ishila. Ama shina thal. Oh my god, you want to swim? You swim. Don't swim, okay? Ab chali kya? Acha. Ambo phege tak jogo durish. Let's go. Chal jaऊं? Wait, I'll pull you. Ay. Sure, come. All right. Hold tight. Keep it down. Oh yes. Ab hold kara mat chale. Nothing will happen. Don't worry. Ta dugure nanglo burule ne. Yusela, you baby desha da. No te quebra show. Yung me. Shibera, look at me.
I'm not looking, I'm scared.
Look at me, no?
Yeah, I'm there.
Aya, ngiki ba? Teta. Bhaijan. Who's Bhaijan?
That Shibella, that me in the reach, didn't allow Chigma government. How was that?
Yes, Bhai is going to jump.
Okay, let's not take any. Jacket, another, there's no risk at all. Shibu, even if you want, we can go.
Yeah, you can go with Dada. You want to go?
First see.
Yes.
I'll not go. I'll never go. I'll die. You see that cow, no?
Yes.
That cockroach cock, I'll be like that.
All right.
Bhaiya, mat jao. Mat jao.
Woo! Good Wow, see? स्विमिङ चाहिँ गर्नु सक्दैन फ्लोट इसमें तो स्विमिंग में मजा ही नहीं आ रहा बस फ्लोट करना है
पापा मोटे पे हो रहे पापा डूब
हाय हमारी ग्रुप बेबी एक्सपिरियन्स छोड्नु पनि साह्रो तिमीलाई त अझै साह्रो पर्छ होला है बुझु हो नि मजा आउँदैन नि ओसिनमा स्विम गर न के हो त सीमा he's going in now ऐसे ही खींचेंगे लस 1 2 3 dive oh yes दामी
Without that.
Without jacket?
With jacket I'll go.
Oh, we don't go without jacket. तिम्रो चाहिँ अलिक आई डाउट go with jacket go.
पापा मर गयो त
खाइ छि कि मारे थाहा के भएको होला है यिनीहरू के मुन्दैन खान्छ यता
टी-शर्ट खोल्छु नि टी-शर्ट
ए अच्छा
थाइल्यान्ड जाने थाइल्यान्ड
मिनी थाईलैंड
आता है मेरे को लेकिन इतना परफेक्ट नहीं आता है
नहीं नहीं जैकेट पहनेगा वो टी शर्ट निकल रहा है
भैया ऊपर खींचो तो एक बार
हाँ छिने he so scared
वो डुबाको जस्तो लाग्दो रहेछ
पापा ने भी स्विम किया था वो वीडियो मुझे नहीं मिला लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत एंजॉय किया था
Not नपक्रिकन नपक्रिकन फेरि ढिङ्गी मारे खालि कुछिकी मारे छु ला बेबी ट्राई सिधा यु दा
Ichi. खायो मारे लम्सा थुंगी रे Ayo, so this is the mandarmani beach market. 단답다고 용도 뉴고 저다 용가 말이 가서 남자 용게 이제 데르수 되게. Oh my god, so many shops. Let's see the beach. Get that? It's night time, no? So the waves are a little bit
We can go inside.
strong. They fish there, Ragud. We get prawn here. Oh. On the beach, the best dish. This is another beach at Mandarmani. Guys, look at me. Kitsu. This go.
My crabs are here.
Prawn, I don't know, but crab chicken, like Indian, like desi chicken, not poultry chicken.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you. Sure. Let's go.
ये मरे हैं क्या? Crab.
जिंदा है, जिंदा.
ला रे.
जिंदा वाला crab.
हाँ तो 오늘 정말 소연이 소연이라서 कोड़ा चिकन यूं को चाहूँ.
Wow.
क्रैब तो मसा.
Mama, fish.
Yes.
जिंदा मछली. बोला जिंदा मछली का.
정말 약방인데. 심도 하우 민도야. 닝바이 로드. ला it's moving मुने को랑 तादा.
माछी कैसी?
शा
खेचुला
और फिर हमने खाया स्क्विड, प्रॉन, क्रैब, सब कुछ जो था वहाँ पे. और उसके बाद हम लोग वापस होटल चले गए थे.